Inside the camper van, you can find kitchen facilities including a sink, a stove and a fridge. Tucked alongside the fridge is a folding table. Once the table leg is opened up, the table can be hooked onto the kitchen unit, providing a stable surface. Inside the kitchen units, there are a number of storage facilities, and should you need more, there are additional storage spaces within the boot. All of the camper windows feature curtains, ensuring you can enjoy privacy during your trip. The interior windows can be opened. You just have to simply unhook the catch and slide them across. The van features multiple plug sockets so you can charge your devices. To turn on the lights, simply flick the switch. When you're ready to set up for the night, simply locate the curtain underneath the passenger seat and fit it to your windscreen. Tuck the corners behind the doors and hook it around your wing mirrors in order to create a tight fit. Once fitted, the curtain should block out all light.